Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, on Instagram. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Happy trading to you, too. What's going on, TikTok? Good morning, OTW. SMCI, buy, hold, or sell. I would probably say stay away from now. If you're in it, I would potentially just hold it. I probably wouldn't be buying it just yet, though. Bias on NASDAQ. I posted my full daily plan, OTW, in the Discord. I'm not sure if you're in the Discord or not. But if you're not in the Discord, use code ZACH, gets you a free first month. I posted my entire daily plan there. What's up, Seas Monster? What's going on? BNZI. Benzai International. I don't mess with penny stocks, really, guys. I don't mess with penny stocks. Penny stocks could be solid, right? But I just don't mess with them. What's up, Justy, man? What's going on? What's going on, TikTok? Everybody on TikTok, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Again, if you're not already following me on TikTok, guys, please do me a favor, double tap the screen, drop me a follow. Just got to 25,000 followers on TikTok. I really appreciate everybody who's following me there. And also for those on Instagram and YouTube, make sure that you're also following me on TikTok as well. There are times where the Instagram and YouTube stream doesn't really work properly, and so make sure you're always staying in tune with the TikTok streams, because those seem to always work, and they also have the shortest delay, right? So I will be looking for some trades today live, and so hopefully we can get some nice trades with everybody today. I'm playing GME earnings. No, I am not. ARM looks good to 144. It's a weekly inside bar, so it could get to 144. I prefer to probably wait for the break over 144 to long it to like 155, but not terrible. Over that high though looks good. Looks really good. What's up, Clips? What's up? And guys, just so you also have an idea of what's going on here, we're trading on the Tradeify platform for those tuning in for the first time, guys. Again, it's on the screen right here, tradeify.co. Using code STOCKDADS gets you a nice hefty discount. They're straight to funded accounts, guys, meaning there's no evaluation process. You can open an account and start trading right away within 10 minutes. Again, there's no eval you have to start trading. So you open the account and you can start making money towards your goals right away, guys. Make sure on TikTok you're dropping me a follow. Appreciate that, guys. What's up, Clips? Market opens about 15 minutes, guys. So if anybody has any questions prior, feel free, let it rip. Appreciate the shares on TikTok. Thank you, guys. Again, if you're not already following on TikTok, guys, make sure you're following on TikTok, because sometimes the Instagram and YouTube streams go down for whatever the reason may be, and the TikTok usually stays up. It's also the least delayed. So if we are taking the live trades, guys, I think Instagram has about a 35-40 second delay. YouTube has like a 20-second delay, and TikTok only has like a 4-second delay. PNW weak. Could be weak. That's a difference, Clips. I just mentioned that. Let me know, guys, if anybody else has any other questions. How many times a day do you get on a trade? It really depends. Sometimes I'll take 1, sometimes I'll take 10. It really totally depends on the day. My thoughts on ASAN. Let me check it out real quick. It's really strong. I would say probably hold off, wait for a pullback. It's gone from 16 to 25 in 2 days, so I'd say definitely wait for some type of pullback in there, in my opinion. Just because it's gone up so much so quickly. Again, if you're not already following me on TikTok, please do me a favor, double tap the screen, drop me a like and a follow. Really appreciate that, guys. Morning, Carlos. What's going on? Guys, let's see if we get to 2,000 likes on TikTok before we start the day here. Let's see if we get to 2,000 likes. We're close. Where we at? About 700. Let's see if we get to 2,000 on TikTok, guys. Chill Biden. Oh my God. The meme coin pumpers are here. Thoughts on NVIDIA today? I'd probably wait. I'd probably hold off on NVIDIA. Personally, guys, I think I'm going to hold off on all chip names until after the Broadcom, which is AVGO earnings. I think I'm going to wait for the earnings to kind of pass before I look to trade any of those tickers, guys. Yeah, the meme coin pumpers are here, baby. Kevin, thank you for the follow on TikTok as well. Appreciate that. What time is the news? I don't know. Ernie, thank you for the follow as well on TikTok. Appreciate that, guys. If you're not already following on TikTok, please do me a favor, double tap the screen, drop me a follow. I think Broadcom earnings are tomorrow, though, Diego. I believe they're tomorrow. People hate on AMD. Yeah, I'm not a fan of AMD, guys. It's pretty simple for me. It's if the market's pushing all-time highs, you want strong names. You don't want names that are pushed down. So I would personally wait for either the daily or the weekly to flip back into an uptrend. Right now, the daily and the weekly are both in a downtrend, as well as the monthly in a downtrend, or about to be in a downtrend. So we need to get some type of love, even if we miss the bottom. Even if we miss the bottom, we need to get some type of love there, in my opinion, first. LUMN. Not a fan of that chart at all. Really, yeah. Not really a fan of that. Daily's got smoked. Dropped like 40% the last couple weeks or so. Probably would stick away from that one. Also, guys, make sure if you're not in the Discord, you click the link in the bio, guys. Using code ZACH gets you a free first month, guys. What's up, Fish? Guys, market opens in about 6 minutes here, guys. Jake, thank you for the follow on TikTok as well. Appreciate that. Guys, just to recap what we're doing today, guys. We are going to be trading some futures here live. I'm trading on the Tradeify platform, guys. So it's right here, tradeify.co, using code StockDads. So for October and some of November, I was trading live pretty much every single day, guys, and I stopped. Now I'm going to just be periodically hopping on live when I feel like it here on social. So make sure, guys, you're in the Stock Dads Discord, because the days that I'm not here, which are going to be pretty few now moving forward, I'm going to be in Stock Dads streaming live. So again, if you click the link in the bio, use code ZACH, it gets you a free first month in there, guys. We're also doing a small account challenge right now. Started with $1,000. We started on Monday, or excuse me, I think we started last Friday, I believe. Yeah, and the account's already at 1,170 or so. So it's up like, you know, pretty solid already. So make sure if you want to join the small account challenge or just get in tune with me and all the analysts on a day-to-day basis, guys, make sure you do that. Stock Dads alum, what's up, Jake? Again, link is in the bio there. And so again, guys, I'm trading on the Tradeify platform. When I stopped the account, when I stopped these lives, I think the account was up between $2,000 and $2,500. Just me sharing all my trades live with you. And right now, let's see where we're at. Right now, the account is at 157,180, guys. So, you know, we have worked on the account since then, obviously, because I stopped streaming every single day. And, you know, I do try to post the trades when I can in the Stock Dads Discord. So, again, make sure you tapped into their free first month using code ZACH, guys. Let's even get to 2K likes, guys, before the market opens. We're at about 1,500. We're about 1,500. Let's see what we can do here, guys. As always, guys, we're going to wait a little bit till we take our trades. We want to be patient. Chris Goo, thank you for the follow. You're back for how long this time? Daniel, I'm just going to be popping in periodically on live. There's going to be no real schedule here on lives. Just going to pop in when I feel like it. But so that's why make sure you're joining the Stock Dads team. Using code ZACH gets you that free first month, guys. Market opens in a couple minutes, guys, so let's see what we can get. Alright, guys, market's opening here in a bit. Let's get going, guys. Again, guys, I'll be sharing any exits and entries in real time. I'm do my best, guys, and hopefully we can catch some trades on here. Again, I don't really know how much I'll be on these lives, so as I said, guys, make sure you're tuned into the Stock Dads Discord. Using code ZACH gets you that first free month, guys. That is the important thing. And again, if you want to trade on the Tradeify platform, guys, which is the straight to funded platform I'm using, make sure you're using code StockDads, guys. Code StockDads. Be able to try to check the chats when I can, guys. So let's get underway. Wow, RTY and the Dow just dumped viciously. Vicious dumps. Yeah, Tradeify pays out in minutes. I got my payout within about 7 minutes from the request. I have a whole video on my YouTube about that, so check that out, guys. Check that out. RTY getting smoked here. What's going on, Ash? Just watching this action, guys. RTY and the Dow just got smacked here in the pre-market. ES with a big dip. Up all night. A-Lab looking good for those in the Discord, as I mentioned. The Dow just got smoked. The Dow just dropped like about 100 points. Holy. Still nothing yet, guys, here in futures. The Dow just got smoked. I guess Gilmore, yeah. Down RTY, right? The daily 20. Yep. I do have a YouTube. I don't teach necessarily that. I only teach that really hands-on and one-on-one lessons and masterminds and mentorships, etc. Serves back like plus 30% from the ad, guys. It's like 35%. Serve just popped up, guys, so make sure we're trimming that from those in the Discord who swung it with me, guys. RTY is getting crushed right now, guys. Getting crushed. Taking a trim here on the serve, guys. RTY is getting smoked still, guys. Really not a lot to do just yet. Besides options, guys. Besides options. RTY really has room down to like 23.81 if it wants to continue down, guys. Below that, it has room to 23.62, which is the weekly 8 EMA. Pretty harsh though, just dropped about 15 points. What's up, Danny? I'm not gonna be on stream for too much longer. Kava. RTY getting absolutely smoked here. 23.81s. Click the link in the bio, Danny. That'll send you to Stock Dad's Discord. Use code Zach, gets you a free first month. That's where I'll be at. That's where I'll be at. If RTY breaks this 23.81, it has nothing until really the weekly 8, which is sitting at around 23.60s or so. Justify. Pop man. Let me know if anybody has any questions, guys. Testify. Was watching potential longs there in the NQ, but ship has kind of already sailed there. I don't mind some RTY longs here, guys. If we hold this 23.81, this is a really key spot to hold. And wait for this 5-minute close here, guys. It's a really important spot. stop would be under those lows as long as we get a 5-minute close over this 2381s. So we're going to watch for it, guys. I'm going to take some here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
First target, if you want to trim, would be like 86 eighths, but it does have more room to reverse in theory. So the stop loss will be underneath the lows. So pretty decent risk to reward. So we just tagged basically that 2-minute 8, which would be the first target. So if you want to take a little couple point scalper there, you could. And he just ripped, damn. ES coming back up to the open area. Let's see if we get to like 87 and change or so. Maybe 88. VWAP or like the 5-minute 8, somewhere around there. If we get to VWAP, that'll be a nice little trade.
Order filled.
Alright guys, just took it off there at VWAP. Quick little 455 across the accounts right there, guys. So it's about what, 1,300 bucks, 1,400 bucks. Nice little bounce off that level, guys. Let me know if you're able to take that in the chat. And was able to snag that in the chat, guys. It's been a while, a bit rusty, the live callouts, but let me see if anyone's able to take that. There you go, Wardlow. So guys, very simple setup, nothing too fancy here, right? It's simply just, you know, I think we're going to tag this 5-minute 8 EMA, but we were able to get about 3.5 points there on that pop up to like 88s, right? I was able to get about 3.5 points. So I'm risking 3.5 points for another like 3 points. I just didn't really want to do that. You know, the first trade of the day, I like to lock in a nice W, guys. Cool, so we got some trades, got some buffer on the accounts. That's all that matters, guys. Google ended up working nicely. Every time it goes by. And there goes RTY hitting that 5-minute 8. Again, guys, we use the RTY, or excuse me, we use the EMAs as mean reversion, right? I just simply wanted to lock in a nice W for the first trade of the day. That's really all that was coming down to, right? But this would be the target. And then from here, all bets are off, right? All bets are off. Just put this in the chat. I wasn't really able to signal it because it moved really fast, but. So again, now all bets are off, guys. This easily could go higher from here, but again, kind of like we did our job, we got our piece, all bets are off. So, let me know if anybody else has any other questions, guys. So we up 455 across 3 different accounts, guys, now. Alright, guys, any other questions we got here? I think if we can retest the opening print, that could be a nice long, like at 533s, if we can get down there. I don't know if we will get down there, but if we do get down there, I think that'd be a nice long for a bounce. I'm gonna set a long there on NQ. I'm gonna set 1 long at 33, actually 2 long at 33. I've been sizing up a little bit lately, guys, just because it's a little bit of a larger account, so. So basically how it would work is just something roughly like this. About a 20-point stop. Roughly like that, right? That's roughly going to be the setup. I have my set at 33, guys. Basically, right at the opening print, guys. Right at the opening print, which is also the 5-minute 8 EMA, is where I have my long set. As you can see real quick, I'll just show you guys, look at RTY. RTY, we rejected that 5-minute 8. So again, the 5-minute 8 acts as the target, but from there, kind of all bets are off. It can go either way. And so we just want the high probability move. I sold right about VWAP around 2,388 and change or so. But it can go either way, obviously. It can go either way. So. Yeah, NQ's retesting right now, so. Alright, guys, I got filled there at 33. I'm using about a 20-point stop loss or so. If I can get like an immediate 10 points, I'll probably just take it. And then I'll hold like a potential runner for more. So let's see what happens here, guys. Again, we're retesting that opening print area, which is also the 5-minute 8. That's just the key spot. If we get back up to like VWAP, right about 15 points or so quick, we'll take that. Otherwise, if we just come crashing down through the level, we're going to exit for, 20-point loss or so. This is a pretty harsh bar, though, I will say. It's about 50.5 minute bar, so. I don't really love that we close under the opening print, but I'm gonna give it a moment. I'm gonna allow it this 2-minute candle, see what we do here. If this 2-minute doesn't close nice, I may just close it early. Because I don't really love this setup anymore. We did get a 5-minute close under the opening print. We are holding level, but now it's back into the opening range. We did get a 5-minute close under the opening print. Just kind of debating what I want to do here. It could go either way, and I don't really like when things go either. I don't really like when things can go either way. I like to be more definitive. So let's see. Yes, is trying to get a little bit of a bounce at like a little higher low area. The Dow is getting a little bit of loving, trying to get back over the daily 20. Not back over the opening print just yet, though. Stop's probably about to get hit right here. Just fine. Oh wow. I don't know how my stop didn't get hit. What the hell? Understand. Well, typically, guys, so a 5-minute retest of the open where it also has the 8 EMA, that's for me a high probability setup. Sometimes it just fails, simple as that. But the key thing, though, that I said, which is why if the trade fails, it probably is going to fail, is we got the 5-minute close under the opening print, where ideally we want to get that immediate bounce back over the opening print and then maybe do something like that, right? That's kind of what we want to see. So that's kind of, in my opinion, why if the trade fails, it's going to fail. So we'll see. If it gets back to the opening print, like I can get out at like break even, I might just take my break even because this was just kind of a broken trade, honestly.
Order filled.
All right, I took it out at break even. This could go higher, guys, but it was a broken trade. So, in theory, right, it could go higher. We swept these lows here. We're bouncing off this level here. It could go higher. But for me, one of my rules is if the trade becomes broken in my eyes where it's not working exactly the way I want it to, I try to just get out when I can. Just kind of take it as a, okay, well, now it hurts a little bit. 20-point bounce, but it is what it is. Different strategy than you. Got you. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I put a 20-point stop and it didn't get targeted. It didn't get hit. 12.25. Maybe it was like a tick off or something. I don't know. You guys always can hear the order filled. I don't know. So overall, that was a break-even trade for me. I'm not really sure. I don't know. Where did I put this up? My entry was there at 32 or whatever. I don't really know, guys. Maybe I incorrectly put it by a tick or two or something. I didn't get stopped, but I always place a hard stop loss. You guys know that. So I don't really know. But nonetheless, either way, win or loss, still a broken trade, so. Damn. I also will say, too, there are times where depending on the platform, I know it's happened for good and for bad, where I'll have a stop loss in, and like some people will get stopped out, some won't. Okay, now this kind of hurts, but still, this is just following my plan, guys, right? Because this, just for example, this could have easily done this, and then rejected, right? So for me, I would just prefer every single time just to get out when the trade becomes broken, right? Maybe let the trade play through with like a half size. That's kind of personal preference, but I always typically like to just kind of let the trade kind of close and then reevaluate it. But in theory, the trade worked, right? So what do I think about Apple calls? Apple's been strong, but it's been on a real big tear, so it probably has to wait a little bit. There you go, Daniel. Might sign up for the mentorship. Yeah, so I do offer one-on-one lessons, as I said. And again, if you want to join the Stock Dads team, there is a free first month, right? Whether I'm live trading here, there, whatever, I'm always live trading somewhere, guys. So, again, this is a little unfortunate, right, that our entry got stopped out. But it is what it is, right? So the Discord's free, guys. The Discord is free for the first month. First month free. Then after that, there is a fee depending on what you purchase. But there are some discounts going on. So. The Discord, guys, is normally $160 a month. The price is going up because we've recently merged with a couple other big Discords, so there's a lot more value. But there are some promotions right now, not only to lock in that price forever, but to get a discounted rate on top of that that's also locked in forever, guys. So if you are interested in joining the Discord, make sure, first of all, you use code ZACH, get yourselves a free month, and then after that, we can reevaluate with you You know, if you like it, we can get you a nice little package going on. And if you guys look at RTY right here, right? We rejected that 5-minute 8 EMA, so that was a good call getting out of that, right? That was definitely a good call getting out of that. You know, NQ I think shook us out a little bit, but it is what it is, unfortunately. Let me know if anybody else has any other questions, guys. Grab some water real quick, guys. One sec. Decided I'm actually gonna go coconut water. We're gonna go coconut water today. Hourly closes in 25 minutes, guys. Took 2 trades today. One kind of non-event trade and one W. So I might call it as that and just focus on options the rest of the day, so we'll see. Let me know if anybody has any questions down below, guys. Again, if you're not already in the Stock Dads Discord, make sure you're using code ZACH. Gets you a first month free. And then make sure if you're not already using Tradeify, you use the code StockDads. Gets you a nice discount there for Tradeify, guys. Nice discount there. Let me know, guys, any other questions, guys, you guys got for me. I do have a lesson in a bit, guys, so I'm not going to stay on too much longer today. So again, make sure you guys ask any questions if you have any. Also, I'm not really sure what other setups we're going to get really today. So any other questions, guys? Anybody have any other questions? Anyone want me to take any more trades? Let me know in the chat, guys. Seems a bit slow today, which is fine. I don't really hop on stream too much more anymore. So just let me know what you guys are thinking. Guys, I'm going to hop off here, though, for the morning. Again, 2 trades today. One kind of non-event that ended up being absolutely great, right? We just kind of got shaken out. The trade didn't work perfectly, but maybe I should have given it a little bit of leeway, right? This trade would have been perfect, really, back over the opening print. So, in theory, probably just got shooken out a little bit because it got close to the stop. Then the RTY was a nice W there. So, if anybody has any questions, guys, make sure you DM me on either Discord or Instagram. Again, if you want to join the Stock Dads Discord, we have a free first month going on using code Zach, Tradify.